Hey guys, welcome to a new video. We're trying to upload even more and more videos for you guys so you can see what we're doing around here, also behind the scenes, and of course we're not gonna forget the beautiful cars to show all the beautiful end results, but we're also gonna show you all the problems that we have. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you want to see everything here you need to subscribe, hit the notification button, and then you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Well, I tried everything on the compressor, and my knowledge stops here because it's not working. And I think it's something to do with the power supplies. It's getting warm and it's getting some power, but not enough. So I think it should be in the power supply. So I'm going to Yuri, and Yuri, our builder, not our own Yuri, and he's gonna have a look at the powers, because I don't know how this works. I think Yuri is here. Hey Yuri, die compressor die werkt niet hoor. Ik begrijp er een klote van. Ja, hij wordt helemaal warm en zo, maar hij geeft gewoon geen stroom. Dus ja, dankjewel. Want Yuri is ook al plakken. Ja, thanks man. Ja. So, whoa, big car, but we made it in one time. So, yeah, the wash bay is big enough. So we're going to the next problem. We don't have foam from our high pressure washer. So there is pressure, but we don't have any foam. And I just called the supplier of this gun, and he said just take it apart. So we're gonna see how we're gonna fix this. So now to take this off. Okay, then I need another. So we need some extra tools here to get this thing apart. So in the meantime that we're solving problems, Justin's already coating the Tesla Model S with the Modesta BCO4, and this car is 2 years old. We treated it before, only I think something went wrong with washing or something, so it was full of scratches. And we took them out, and now he's coating it again, so it will be protected for another few years. And I hope the owner is more careful this time, but already it looks perfect. Yuri is installing PPF on the rear bumper of the Model S, and Justin is applying Modesta BCO6 on the rims. Special rim coating. This stuff's really amazing, especially for protecting it against road grime, that sort of things. He does 2 sets at one time. And I'm finally gonna wash the BMW X5. Took some time. It was my plan to wash it this morning, but crazy day, crazy day. So I'm really excited that we can wash cars in here. It's very, very big. We need to install 2 more lights because we had to remove one for the arm over here. And it's so wide that we can, the car is not exactly centered, but we can open both doors and we can still walk around the car. So yeah, this is something that I didn't have in my other shop, but you know, this works very, very easy. Saves us a lot of time. So I'm gonna spray the car first with some citrus degreaser to make sure that the dirt that's on is gonna loosen a bit. As you can see, we have a buildup of water, of sort of like a fog in here, and we're gonna install also a ventilator to get it out, but it's not in yet. So for now, we have to do it with this, and in a few days, a few weeks, everything's gonna be sorted out. But it works okay for now. So I'm using Enzo tire cleaner to clean the tires, and of course these are new tires, so they're not so really dirty, but it's the perfect base to put a dressing on when everything's ready. And a tire dressing on a perfectly clean tire will stick longer than on a dirty tire. So that's it for today. I'm finishing up washing this car and making sure we can get it ready to go on the car lift and do our magic with some polishing and of course paint protection, but that's for a later video. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe because we're uploading more videos, and that's the only way then you will get a notification when a new video is uploaded. See you guys later, bye bye.